I do like this. No.
Yes. Brilliant. Right now, the mission is to just clean up the space because we're dealing with a little bit of branches and debris from the storm. A lot of which is I'm really stoked on. We're going to be able to use for mushroom logs. So I've been sourcing like the best type of mycelium and mushroom varieties that grow well on red maple, so that we can not only use those through culinary purposes but also for education. And the great thing is, like, this whole entire pile of branches and stuff, we're going to be able to directly chip that stuff into these bins. The stretch goal is getting a biochar kiln. That way we can sequester carbon, add carbon back into the composting setup, and be able to properly handle the invasives in a way that is beneficial to the whole entire site. So at the moment, like, getting these boards moved and tucked away into a place that makes a lot of sense is going to be the goal. And then we've got to go and move some furniture. So lots of shuffling.
Every day I'm shuffling. All right, come back. Going all the way in. All right, that's good, that's good. So we are loading furniture from the storage container and it's going back into the domes. We worked on the floors, so we just got to put everything back, get it to normal. Okay, so we're by the Bask entrance right now. We're doing all of the tree, rock, and dirt work to change this road into the new bridge. We have Daniel and one of his employees out here working on taking out a ton of trees near the entrance to make this entrance feel really natural and make it so that cars can easily get in and out of the property. And we're building up the road to the bridge so you can actually use the bridge. So either by the end of today or early in the next couple days we'll be able to actually go over the bridge, which will be pretty cool. But right now, as you can see now, this whole area is just straight carnage, and you can smell the trees that we've cut down. Some of these make me kind of sad to see them go. We had a really nice cedar that was right here that had a little altar on it. But this is a pretty important project for us here, so sometimes you gotta make sacrifices. And look at this right here. Here's this old cedar. See straight through down there. And yeah, it looks like carnage right now, but we'll clean this up and it'll start looking like a road pretty soon. Sometimes we have to break things to make them better. But yeah, it's pretty crazy what we got going on right now. We've got the full-size excavator out here. We got the skid steer going over there. It's exciting stuff.